Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a vendor into your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add a vendor into your QuickBooks Online? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, whether it's online or in person, generally you're going to have vendors that you need to pay each month. And by having them managed in your QuickBooks, it helps you keep on top of things. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new vendor into your QuickBooks Online, what you're going to do is click on Menu here on the left. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this line right here called Expenses. Once you hover over it, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on Suppliers. Okay, once you do that, this is where you can go ahead and add a new vendor. Sometimes in QuickBooks, they call them suppliers or vendors, as you can see right here. Either way, it's the same thing. So you want to click on Add Suppliers Manually or Import Suppliers. So if you have a spreadsheet of suppliers, you can import them all at once by clicking on here. Or if you want to simply add them one by one, or you just have one that you met in person, go ahead and click on Add Suppliers Manually. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add your vendor. So anything that has a star, you have to fill that out. The more information you can put in here, the better, because there will be a point in your career that you need to find some sort of specific information about this vendor. And if you have it all right here, it's easy to access. So right here, let me go ahead and put this in. Okay, so I enter the name of a new vendor. And then if you want, you can go ahead and put the contact information. So let's say the person's name is Anthony that we deal with. You can put in their email address, their phone number. So once you filled all this out and you're ready to go ahead and save their information, go ahead and click on Save here on the bottom right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this new vendor that we added into our QuickBooks Online. Now, if you want to go back and see all of the vendors in your account, click on this blue suppliers button. Okay, next you're going to see a list of all of the vendors. And if you need to edit them, you just click on their name. Once you click on their name, it's going to open this up again, and you can click on edit. And once you click on edit, you can continue to add more information. So later on, maybe you have their website or their mailing address, you can add it in right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new vendor into your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.